डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर ओपन युनिव्हर्सिटी.
Namaste dear students. I Samta Rathod, working as an assistant professor in School of Computer Science Department, welcome you all from our Chaitanya studio at Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University. In our last session, we have discussed how optimal page replacement algorithm, not recently used algorithm, first in first out and second chance page replacement algorithm works. In our today's session, we are going to discuss a few other page replacement algorithms such as clock page replacement algorithm, last in first out page replacement algorithm, least recently used page replacement algorithm, and aging page replacement algorithm. In this slide, we are going to understand how clock page replacement algorithm works. The clock page replacement algorithm works like the hand of a clock moving around memory slots. Each page in memory has a small flag called the R bit, means reference bit. When a page fault occurs and a memory is already full, the algorithm looks at the page where the pointer is. We would understand this by an example. If that page's R bit is 0, it means the page was not used recently. So it is replaced with the new page and the pointer moves ahead. If the R bit is 1, it means that the page was used recently. So the bit is changed to 0 and the pointer moves to the next page. This checking continues until page with R bit 0 is found. Also, whenever a page that is already in memory is used again, its R bit is set back to 1. In this way, the algorithm gives second chance to recently used pages before replacing them. We now have to support inserting a node right before the hour end, the rear of the queue, and removing node pointed to by the hour end. The natural solution is to double link circular list. In this case, insertion and deletion are a little slower than for the primitive second chance, means double linked list have more pointer updates for insert and delete operation. So the trade-off is, if there are mostly inserts and deletes and granting second chances is not too common, use the original second chance implementation. If there are mostly replacements and you often give nodes a second chance, which use clock. Now in our next slide, we will understand next algorithm. The last in first out, means LIFO algorithm. The last in first out page replacement algorithm operates on the principle of replacing the most recently loaded page in memory when page fault occurs and the memory is full. This algorithm treats the pages in memory as a stack, where the newest page located at the top of the stack is the one selected for the replacement. The process involves maintaining a stack of pages currently in memory, with the newest page being at the top. When a page fault happens, the page at the top of the stack is removed and the new page is pushed on the stack. This approach is based on the assumption that the most recently used pages are less likely to be needed again soon. The LIFO algorithm is simple to implement and can be efficient for specific workloads, although it is not commonly used in practice due to its poor potential for poor performance compared to other algorithms like LRU or FIFO, means last recently used, or first in first out algorithm. So in our next slide, we are going to understand this LIFO algorithm with example. Right? So initially the stack is empty. When we push 1 and 1 will be inserted into the stack, now the stack has 1. When we push 2 and 2 will be inserted, thus it will be on the top of the stack. Now the stack has 2 and 1. When we push 3 and 3 will be inserted, thus 3 will be on the top of the stack. Now the stack has 3, 2 and 1. When we perform pop operation, it will remove the top element which is 3. After the pop operation, the stack will be 2 and 1. Right, so this example demonstrates the LIFO last in first out example which works on the principle of the last element inserted 3 is the first one to be removed. The next page replacement algorithm is LRU, which stands for least recently used algorithm. Least recently used page replacement algorithm used in operating systems to manage the contents of the memory. It works by tracking the order in which pages are accessed and replacing the least recently used page when a new page needs to be loaded into the memory. The LRU algorithm involves maintaining an ordered list of pages based on their recent usage. When a page is accessed, it is moved to the front of the list, and if the memory is full and a new page needs to be loaded, the page at the end of the list means the least recently used one page will be replaced. This can be implemented using various data structures such as linked list, stacks, or more advanced structure like hash maps combined with doubly linked list for efficient access and update. So now let's understand with the example. Let's say the page reference string is 70120304230332. So initially we have 4 page slots empty. Initially all slots are empty. So what we will do, when 7012 are allocated to the empty slots, then 4 page fault will occur. If we see here, 0 is already there, so it will be again page fault of 0. Then next, when 3 comes, it will take the place of 7 because it is least recently used, hence the 1 will be the count of the page fault. Then if again we check, 0 is already in the memory. So what will happen? 0 will be in the page fault. Then what happens next? 4 will take place of 1. So what will happen? The count of page fault will be 1. Now for the further page reference string, the count will be 0 page fault because they are already available in the memory. So this was the explanation of least recently used page replacement algorithm. Now next we will understand about aging algorithm, which is aging page replacement algorithm. The aging page replacement algorithm is a memory management technique used in operating system to decide which page to remove from memory when a new page needs to be loaded and there is no free space left. The algorithm works by assigning an age or counter to each page in memory. So every often, such as each clock tick, these counters are updated. So if a page was accessed recently, its age counter will be increased. If not, its counter will be shifted, which will make it older. More recent use make a page younger, while older unused pages become old and likely to be removed from the next. Let's understand this page replacement algorithm with example. Here the age counter represents how recently a page was accessed using binary numbers. Each tick represents a clock cycle where the counters are updated, shifted right and set if reference. When a new page D needs to replace an old one, the page with the smallest counter, means the oldest page here is A, will be replaced. The counters reflect aging and they are reduced if the page is not accessed and increased if it will be accessed. At each clock tick, pages that are referenced get their age counters updated, means shifted, then it will be incremented. Pages not referenced just get their counters aged and it will be shifted only. When replacement is needed, the page with the smallest value, means lowest counter, will be evicted for the new page. This simple table explanation explains here how the algorithm decides which page to remove and how counters change over the time. The aging page replacement algorithm works by assigning a counter to each page in memory and updating these counters at regular intervals. Clock ticks to track how recently each page was used. Here is a simple illustrative diagram using 3 frames, means asterisk indicates here the page was the reference at that time, and each clock tick counters are shifted right and aged and set leftmost bit if the page was used. When a new page D needs to be loaded, the algorithm looks for the page with the lowest counter C at T4 with 000 and replaces it. The counter shows how young, means recently used, or old, not recently used. The counter shows how recently used or old, means not used lately, a page is, making it easy to see which page should be removed next. This table acts as simple diagram showing page frames, counters and how aging is applied to help decide which page is replaced. So this was all about today's session. In this unit, we have learned about page replacement algorithm with their examples. In our upcoming session, we are going to learn about block 4, unit number 1, which is device management. So thank you for your attention. Please subscribe our YouTube channel BAOUGujarat. Namaste.
स्वाध्यायः परः